Hi guys. I wanted to talk a little bit today about how to understand or how to think about losses and keeping your losses small. Um, and the best example of that I actually have right here on my charts today. So I thought it might be helpful to just kind of throw this up, let you guys see what I'm talking about, um, and go from there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to slide this over so you guys can see. Um, the low of the day is 16,884. I thought it was actually above that. It's 16,884, so I guess we're going to challenge that again. But we were pushing down, and my stop should actually be lower. Sorry, 1 second, guys. So it should be 16,883. And at any rate, so I had a pretty good entry at 889 with the stop back here. This is the low of the day. That's why it looks like that. If I go all the way back, I think that low was hit like last night or something. But at any rate, I really like to enter positions. When I entered this position, like the stop was 86, right? So an 89 entry with an 86 stop on the YM, that's 3 ticks. So it's $15 per contract. That's a pretty good entry. I'm already out of the majority of the position, as you can see. I only have one contract left. You can see right here. And that's going to be stopped out. I moved this down. I never moved my stop lower, but I realized how close I was to the low of the day. So I would rather have my stop down below the actual low of the day, so that if it breaches that, you know for sure that you deserve to be stopped out. But normally my stop would be right here at 86, 3 ticks, because that is below the swing low. So hopefully you guys understand that. At any rate, the point that I wanted to emphasize is just how important it is to keep your losses small, right? Because that is what allows you to get into positions and stay in positions. Because, for me, losing 3 ticks is pretty, with my strategies, it's pretty easy to get that back. If you, as a general rule, are looking for somewhere between 10 and 20 ticks on a trade, then you can have anywhere, you can be stopped out, not taking into account commissions, of course, which I do with the black with my black ratio. But you can have anywhere from, call it 3 to 6 trades get stopped out, and still do okay, depending on if you're recouping 10 or 20 ticks on a per trade basis. So on a winning trade basis. So it really is, in my opinion, paramount that you keep your losses or your stops, where you're putting your stops in and how you're using your stops. It's of the utmost importance to keep that as small as absolutely possible, right? Keep your losses small, let your winners run. As the trading adage, is like old school trading 101. But it really is true, and that's why it's true. Okay. I hope this is helpful. How to think about your losses is unequivocally one of the most important considerations for any trader or investor. So I wanted to make sure that you were thinking about them in the right way. Okay, we'll see you at the next video.